Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel, here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we are showcasing what many consider to be the gold standard of the motorhome world. This is a 2017 Tiffin Allegro Open Road Red 38 QBA. Now, if you know the name Tiffin, you know it stands for family-owned quality and incredible attention to detail. This particular coach is an absolute gem, showing only 20,000 miles on the odometer. That is remarkably low for a 2017 diesel pusher. As we start our walk around, just look at this exterior finish. This coach is wrapped in Tiffin's world-famous NASA graphics package. It is a premium, full-body paint job that utilizes a sophisticated blend of silvers, blacks, and blues. Because Tiffin is known for their incredible paintwork, this coach still looks like it just rolled out of the Red Bay, Alabama plant. You won't find any fading decals here, just deep, automotive-grade shine that reflects the Carolina sun beautifully. This 38 QBA floor plan is 39 feet long and features 4 enormous slide-outs. When you get those slides out, the interior square footage is simply massive. One major highlight for the next owner. This one comes with recently updated 2025 tires all the way around this coach. That is a huge value add and provides total peace of mind for your first cross-country trip. For outdoor living, you have a full suite of power awnings, including a power patio awning and a power door awning. You also have an exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, so you can enjoy the outdoors without missing a second of the big game. Throughout this tour, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the overall condition of the fiberglass. Every detail on this Tiffin, from the frameless windows to the side view cameras integrated into the mirrors, screams quality. We're going to continue our walk around the rear cab to check out the ladder and the heavy-duty hitch before we dive into the basement to look at the mechanical systems that make this red, or rear-engine diesel, such a smooth performer. Let's move down to the foundation, because the red lineup from Tiffin is all about delivering that high-end diesel experience on a platform that is easy to manage. You are riding on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis. Because this is a rear-engine diesel, you get the benefit of full air ride suspension and full air brakes. It delivers that signature Tiffin ride, where you feel like you are floating over the pavement rather than driving on it. Powering your journey is the reliable 6.7-liter Cummins ISB diesel engine. It produces 360 horsepower and a stout 800 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the legendary Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission. This combination is highly respected in the industry for being both powerful enough to climb mountain passes and incredibly efficient for long-distance cruising. Moving into the storage bays, we have massive pass-through basement compartments. Tiffin is famous for their storage capacity, and this unit even includes a slide-out storage tray. This makes it effortless to access your heavy gear or storage bins from either side of the coach without having to crawl inside. For your off-grid power, we have a large Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator. It has only 350 hours of use, which means it's barely broken in. This unit provides more than enough power to run your dual-roof ACs and all your interior appliances while you're dry camping. You'll also find 50-amp service with an included extension cord, a Magnum inverter charger, and dedicated battery disconnects to manage your power efficiently. Setup at the campground is a breeze thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with a simple touchpad control. To keep you safe on the highway, the integrated camera system with both rear view and side view monitors gives you total visibility. Every system on this Tiffin, from the heavy-duty chassis to the electrical management, is designed to make the RV lifestyle as easy and enjoyable as possible. Let's head inside and see how Tiffin's legendary craftsmanship continues in the cabin. As we step inside the Allegro Open Road Red, the quality is immediately apparent. One of the first things you will notice is the beautiful tile flooring that runs through the entire RV. It is durable, easy to clean, and gives the coach a high-end residential feel. The entrance is wide and welcoming, and the cabinetry work is exactly what you would expect from Tiffin. Solid wood with a rich finish. You have comfortable captain's chairs for the driver and passenger that swivel to join the living area. And the dashboard is intuitively laid out for the long-haul driver. It's a very grand entrance that sets a high bar for the rest of the tour. Centrally located in the main living area, we have a 40-inch TV that is perfectly positioned for viewing from the sofas or the kitchen. Right next to it is the convertible booth dinette. This is a great spot for family meals or a morning cup of coffee, and it easily transforms into an additional sleeping space for the kids or guests when needed. The front living room is incredibly spacious, thanks to those large slide-outs. For seating, you have a large pull-out sleeper sofa on one side and a comfortable love seat on the other. There is even an additional 32-inch TV mounted above the cockpit area, so no one has to fight over what to watch. It's a warm, social space that feels like a true living room in a custom home. The kitchen is a chef's dream on the road. You have a full stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, which provides a massive amount of cold storage for those long family trips. For cooking, you've got a gas stovetop and a microwave convection oven, giving you total flexibility. The residential sink and faucet are top tier, and the solid surface countertops offer plenty of room for meal prep. It is a very clean, bright galley with an abundance of cabinetry for all your pantry items. Now here is the feature that makes the 38QBA so hard to find: the bunkhouse. We have 2 individual bunk beds, and each one comes with its own flip-down TV. This gives the kids their own private space to relax and watch a show, making those rainy days at the campsite much more enjoyable for everyone. It's the ultimate setup for a traveling family. Moving toward the rear, we find a very well-appointed private bathroom. It features a large shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight that adds a lot of natural light and headroom. You have a solid surface vanity, a sink, and a toilet, along with a power vent fan to keep the air fresh. It's a clean, bright, and functional space that feels very residential, and the tile floor continues in here for a seamless look. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 38QBA features a queen-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing plenty of room to walk around. One detail I love is the ceiling fan, which keeps the air moving and the room comfortable on those warm nights. You have your own 32-inch TV back here, along with an abundance of drawer storage and a large wardrobe closet. And for the ultimate inconvenience, this coach comes equipped with a stackable washer and dryer. Unlike the combo units, having separate machines allows you to wash and dry at the same time, which is a total game changer for long trips. This is a quiet, comfortable sanctuary that ensures you get a great night's rest, separated perfectly from the bunk area and the main living room. The 2017 Tiffin Allegro Open Road Red 38 QBA is a rare opportunity to own a legendary bunkhouse coach. To recap, you are looking at a diesel pusher with only 20,000 miles. You're getting the power and reliability of a 360 horsepower Cummins engine on a Freightliner chassis with brand new 2025 tires. With 4 slides, the NASA full-body paint, the bunkhouse that allows you to sleep 8, and the stackable washer and dryer, this Tiffin is ready for its next owner. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, please give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. We love showing off these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon. And as always, happy camping.